Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm back with yet another tutorial video on app guide, and in today's video I'll show you how you can fix the login error for your Telegram account. So you're trying to log into your Telegram account using your Telegram application, but you're constantly getting the error message and you want to fix that error but you can't figure out how you can do it. Watch this video till the end. I'll show you some simple steps in order to fix the login error on your Telegram application. It's a very simple process, and just follow the simple steps I do and you'll do it in no time. So the first thing you can try to fix the login error is updating your Telegram application. If your app is not up to date, you might get the login error. So to update your Telegram application, what you need to do is open your Play Store. Once you open your Play Store, in the search field search for Telegram. Once you search for Telegram, you'll land on an interface like this. Now here you'll see two options, one to uninstall, and if your app is not up to date, you'll see an update button instead of the open button. So tap on the update button and wait for the update to complete. Once the update is complete, open the Telegram application and try logging in again. If the error is not fixed, then what you can do is completely uninstall the Telegram application, then reinstall again. You can use the same steps for uninstalling and reinstalling the Telegram application again. Once you reinstall the Telegram application, open the application, try logging in again, and if you still get the login error, what you can do is open your phone settings. Then in your phone settings, what you need to do is go into apps and notification settings. In apps and notification settings, what you need to do is tap on the see all apps option. Once you tap on the see all app option, you'll see a list of applications installed in your mobile phone. Now what you need to do is locate Telegram. Once you locate Telegram, what you need to do is open the Telegram application settings. Once you open the Telegram application settings, what you need to do is go into storage and cache option of your Telegram application settings. In the storage and cache option, what you need to do is simply tap on the clear cache button. Once you do that, open the Telegram app again, and now you must have fixed the login error. So those were the simple steps in order to fix the login error in your Telegram application. So that will be it for today's video. Hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video with some new information. Goodbye.